Hello World, or how to implement your first A/B test. Sign in and create a new workspace. Give it an appropriate title like Hello World, and save. When the workspace opens, click the plus icon to create a new segment. Select the M icon to see the list of available meta events. The section meta event is a simplified URL address. Select the landing page on which you want to change the headline. Click the Apply button to confirm. Now, select the created segment and open the Triggers tab to see the list of available responses. Choose the Change or Add Page content from the list. Enter new text that will replace the original headline. Select the Replace Elements Content option. Enter new text that will replace the original headline. Click Save to test your trigger. Now, open the preview mode and go to your landing page. The console, fixed at the bottom of the window, means you are in the preview mode. See if the headline is changed as intended. Go back to the app and set the trigger sample to 50% of users. Toggle the live mode to push the trigger to production. Finally, click Save to publish your A/B test. It took us only 2 minutes to get the test ready with the UseItBetter platform.